could have your overwork and me no care. Listen to me no man. You said me and you go out. Me don't want you put me down in a corner like a briefcase and chat your Humpty Dumpty for hour.
It's just about 15 minutes I was over there talking to the young lady. I was just about to come to introduce her to you.
Introduce who to who?
Me?
To the barracuda where I chat to. Mr. D, I eat fish, but I chat to them.
Brenda, the level of disrespect. And you not even know the girl.
Me no want know her. Every girl is a threat to me when it come to my man. Some of our friend, none of them. You know what, Jerry Springer?
Brenda, you're behaving immature.
Immature? Lincoln, listen to me now, man.
You listen to me. In the 2 years, 9 months and 3 days, 5 hours since we've been together, I've never given you a reason to mistrust me. Brenda, you're the only woman I want. You're all that I need. I don't need to look elsewhere.
That's not always and then in the comedy. John, how long time you out here?
Long enough.
You hear anything?
Me hear everything, girl.
Me did that loud?
Like stone love. I'm happy for you, girl.
Me not gonna lie to you, girl. Making up sleep bad.
I know. I mean, I heard.
John? You alright?
Something don't feel right, Brenda. From week start, I've been feeling a whole bundle of pain.
So you not gonna check that out?
I'm gonna try and do it this week.
You know, I'm asking you a serious question. What you plan to do?
Keep it.
But Johnny now work. Your man now work. What you not gonna do for make money?
When I reach that bridge, I'll cross it. But as long as I live, I will never ever take another abortion.
I not encourage you to do an abortion, you know. But based on your present situation, you might want to think about it. So when the man frame there, he's not coming yet.
Huh? I don't know, I can't sleep unless him come inside, you know.
Babes, ready for round 2?
I'm coming, baby. Keep the bed warm.
Good night, Janice.
Good night, Lincoln.
Yeah, alright?
Sure, I'll be fine.
You sure?
Yes, girl. Go on now. Go get your sort out.
think you did asleep.
You know I can't sleep unless you come inside.
Something will come from me, I'll go back on road.
You going back out with Paul?
We just go down the road this man. I will take care of some business. Yeah, I'm so forward back there.
This is the time of night. You really have to go again? Paul, please don't go back outside, baby. Stay with me, please.
Babes, just give me a couple more minutes now. You know, I promise. I'll follow the school now, babes.
Please, baby, just stay with me. You don't need to go back outside. And I promise you, if you stay, I'll sort you out. And
I know.
you just might get a chance to water the baby head.
What are you what? Yo. Me not tell us if you get rid of that. I know ramp with me, you know. Wait. No, man.
Janice! Brenda!
Come in, Mr. Pepin. Come inside.
Tell me something. Is which one down in here smoking weed in my place?